Wheel on the RockSolid 1100 balancer, so you have to put the 3 dimensions in correctly. We'll start with distance. You use the distance gauge, you measure the distance from there to there. We got 81. So you bring it down to 81. Diameter of this wheel is 18, so we'll bring that to 18. And we got to measure the wheel width, the rim width. And that is 7" wide, and that's under BR. So we got to make that 7. Now we're ready to balance. So it's calling a 1/4 ounce, 0.25 on the inside. And we gotta go rotate it till all the lights light up, and we'll put the weight on it, top dead center, 12 o'clock, and all the lights are lit up. Right here. Now we rotate it till all the lights light up on the other side, and we'll put a 1.25 on the outside. Bring that weight on. It's at 12 o'clock. Close the hood. Zero, zero. That tire assembly is balanced.